rapping down the street. My bus is getting big and my bus is getting bigger. Oh shit. My board's faster. Alright, bail out. Ah! We bought some stuff at a garage sale. We couldn't resist. But the Gods Must Be Crazy DVD and a tennis racket and wrapping glitter wrapping paper that Steph could not resist. Come here. Now she sees more stuff. What is it? Lampshade.
A duck.
A duck. Can you strap this to the back of that? No. 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 No, you're not taking the duck.
I am taking the
No,
duck.
you're not.
Yes, I am.
She wants a freaking duck, Jake. Which way? This way? Oh, that was a nice street. Which one was that, 11th?
Yeah.
This is sweet, man. Shoes are worn down. Getting real steep and fast now. Ah! See? That's why my shoes are all worn down. See that? Slow! Put on the brakes! That was a great ride, man. It's like a sled. It's like a sled on the cement.